Let's go make something.
Okay, Waitangi Day. That's what it says, Waitangi Day. This is a New Zealand gecko or lizard, and Waitangi Day is the signing, a celebration of signing the treaty between the New Zealand Maori people and the British, and we celebrate it every year on 6th February. So I thought I'd cut this out. I found this online and I've had to alter it a fair bit to make it so that it can be done on a scroll saw. What I'm going to do first is I'll probably cut all these inside bits out, and then we'll try and cut round the leftovers. That way it's got all its strength while I'm cutting the inside out. Hopefully that works, so we're about to find out, I guess. Now, this here's getting very, very small. I may not cut those out. Do all the inside bits first. That gives it the strength. Cut round it. So I also made this out of native kauri. It's the first time I've actually used kauri wood, so didn't turn too bad. I'm actually quite happy with that. What you didn't actually see though, is I did actually break this piece here off. As you can see, it comes round, and then there's no support, and it's very, very weak here because of the way the grain's running this way. I was going to make it run this way, but then there's a lot more weak points around here. And various other places that I thought the grain would be better at running this way, especially like the claws. So I thought the grain would be better running this way, giving a little bit more strength overall. And the only spot that I had problems with was this bit here. So what I ended up doing is I left the paper on, flipped it over, put some glue in it. So I don't know if you can actually see, it's been glued. Put some glue in it, and then put tape on this side as well and let it dry overnight. So that's actually worked out quite well. But overall, I'm actually quite happy with that. I actually now have to work out what I'm going to do with it. What I've got here, this is just a bit of plastic, and it's got a leather look put on top. It's just you can see it's been, actually sure it is, if it's PVC or not. I think it's just PVC, but it's got a make look piece of leather glued on top of it. To attach it to this bit of leather plastic, I'm going to actually just try hot glue. I am not sure if it's actually going to work or not, but we will see. If it does, if it doesn't, I'll probably try and see if I've got some epoxy somewhere to use that instead. But first, we'll just have a go to see if the hot glue works.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.